Flak Jacket PRO turns your truck bed from looking fading, away, and dirty into something you can be proud to own in just a few steps. First, you'll want to clean your surface by removing grease and debris. Wash the surface clean with either water and a scrub brush or even a power washer to remove all residues. Next, you should make sure your surface is completely dry. Scuff the surface you're treating to roughen it using sandpaper, a disc sander, another brush tool, or even just scouring pad. Now, wipe the dust on the surface clean using a simple acetone cleaner or Xylene. When using a spray gun or sometimes a paint roller, you should mask all surfaces you want to protect from overspray by covering them with painter's tape and plastic sheeting. This could include nearby surfaces, windows, lights, switches, and anything you did not want to accidentally transfer the coating onto. Now that everything is covered, you're ready to move on to the next step.